Rechargeable sealing machine stroke vacuum sealer. That is the line for sealing your nylon. That single one is the line for sealing. The double one is for vacuum sealing. That is the power button for turning on and off. That is the vacuum sealing. That is for sealing your nylon. You can charge it with your power bank. It uses Type-C charging point. You can see the power bank is charging it, but you have to fully charge it before you start using it. You cannot use it while it is charging. When it's fully charged, you unplug it before you turn it on and start using it. Once the Type-C charger is plugged in there, you will not be able to turn it on. So you have to remove the charger before you start using it. You can also charge it directly with electricity. You press the power button to turn it on. Right now it is on. Now you are going to seal a nylon. You turn on the sealing, then press down the machine so that it can give you a tight sealing. I'm going to seal this nylon for like 5 seconds or 6 seconds. Then you turn off the sealing again. You can see it gives you a very tight sealing, as if you used automated machine to seal it. No room for any form of leakage. Airtight sealing. This machine is actually good for you if you're into packaging. I turn on the sealing again. I will seal for 5 to 6 seconds. I turn it off. Very tight sealing. I'm adding the item I want to seal inside the nylon. So now we are going to close up the nylon. We're going to seal it up now. You turn on the sealing. I will seal for like 5 to 6 seconds. I turn it off again. It gives you a very tight sealing. I turn off the machine to save power. Once you're not using it for a long time, it's better you turn it off to save power, and then you turn it on when you want to use it again. I am shaking it now to show you that every part is tightly sealed. No room for any leakage. It is airtight. This is good for you. If you're into packaging, it's a must-have. You can place your order for this machine by sending us a WhatsApp chat. Get our WhatsApp link from our bio to place your order.